Need to use a previous version of your Bulb page, but Control-Z won't take you back far enough? Not a problem. Let's learn how to use the Page History feature in Bulb. First, go into a Bulb page that you want to restore to an older version. Then, click the three dots at the top of the page. Click where it says Page History. Then a modal will pop up that contains all of your autosaves for your Bulb page. If you don't remember the exact time that you want to restore to, not a problem. Clicking any of the times will bring up the history window, and you can use the arrows to cycle through your page history. The left arrow cycles chronologically through newer versions, and the right arrow cycles reverse chronologically through older versions. Once you find the version that you want to restore to, you can click the Restore button. Or if you want to keep the most recent version, click the Cancel button. It's important to note that when you restore a page, that restoration becomes the most recent version of the page. So if you went into page history again, you would see that the version of the page before you restored would still be the second to last version saved. You now have everything you need to know to start using the Page History feature in Bulb.